Siri, open sesame.
Unlocking.
Hello.
The delivery has arrived at the doorstep.
Okay, I'll open the door for you.
Hey Siri,
Open sesame.
Unlocking.
This is one of the features I use often. When I receive a package, what head your take on? I just say Siri, open the door, and the fingerprint lock automatically opens. If someone is watching TV at home, the surveillance footage will be pushed to the TV, and I will also receive a notification on my phone. This is an example of an interconnected scenario involving people, vehicles, home, and security monitoring.